Tom Girardi's inner circle is reportedly furious at Real Housewives of Beverly Hills alum Erika Jayne, accusing her of abandoning the disgraced attorney to rot and urging she be held accountable in an ongoing $24 million lawsuit. According to a source speaking with Reality Blurb, friends of Tom, who's now 86 and serving a 7.5-year federal sentence, feel betrayed by Jayne's decision to file for divorce in November 2020, just before his embezzlement scandal exploded. The second that things started unraveling, Erika ran for cover and left him to rot, the insider said. The same source reveals Girardi's friends are eager for the pending civil case, wrought by his bankruptcy trustee, to remove any lingering sense of immunity around Jayne's wealth and actions. They don't buy her Miss Innocent act and think she ought to face some justice too, adding that they're ready for the court to hold her responsible. Jayne was initially named in lawsuits alleging she benefited from her husband's misappropriated funds, purportedly financing her entertainment career and lavish lifestyle. While courts dismissed her from those early claims, finding she had no actual knowledge of the embezzlement, this fresh lawsuit by the trustee seeks to reclaim approximately $24 million in funds allegedly used to support her empire. Friends close to Girardi reportedly contrast Jayne's courtroom exoneration with public perception. They claim she bailed on Tom the moment the money ran dry, a move they view as opportunistic, particularly as tragedy struck those whose funds were misappropriated. Sources also allege Jayne was quick to sever ties socially and legally, filing for divorce mere weeks before her husband's darkest revelations surfaced. Girardi's pals say the timing looks convenient and malicious. The bankruptcy trustee's complaint asserts that Jayne received millions from Tom's legal practice. These transfers appear to directly support her businesses, EJ Global and Pretty Mess, Incorporated, and personal expenses. Legal filings indicate the money was misclassified as loans in firm records. The trustee argues Jayne knowingly and willingly participated in the scheme and should be forced to return it. A judge is expected to hear motions this summer to determine if the $24 million fraud claim can advance to trial. Reports suggest Jayne's defense is running out of legal avenues to dismiss the claim, and court insiders say the walls are literally closing in. Erika Jayne has maintained her stance of ignorance regarding Tom's illicit conduct. After being ousted from earlier lawsuits in 2022, she asserted she had no knowledge of his wrongdoing. Still, friends of Girardi argue that while she may have won in court, public sentiment has not been so forgiving. In parallel, Tom Girardi has entered prison. Sentenced in early June to 87 months on 4 wire fraud counts, he was ordered to forfeit about $2.3 million and pay a $35,000 fine. Prosecutors accuse him of lining his and Jayne's lives with benefits derived from stolen funds, describing his scheme as Robin Hood in reverse. Those close to Girardi have expressed dismay at Jayne's lack of financial support during his legal trials. While Jayne's attorney maintains she is emotionally destroyed from the collapse of their marriage and Tom's descent into dementia, insiders retort that her steps to file divorce and distance herself make her appear indifferent at best. The lawsuit's legal journey is poised to test whether Jayne can once again escape liability. Meanwhile, critics argue it's not just about legal defenses, it's about moral responsibility to those victimized by her former spouse's alleged embezzlement. Tom's friends have publicly called for retribution. They're furious, a source told Radar. They want her held responsible. And with the trustee's complaint looming, the courtroom may finally bring this battle into the spotlight. This drama raises broader questions about celebrity privilege and accountability. Even as Erika Jayne continues her public career, the courts may finally force a reckoning, legal, financial, and reputational, for one of Bravo's most polarizing figures.